community are already on the alert, awaiting the arrival of these Bello thugs who are hiding under the cover of being INEC staff. More alarming is the leaked plot by APC, who has targeted a number of innocent Kogites in Kogi Central Senatorial District for assassination. Such persons include Fortune Omuya, Jacob Anebe, Nuhu Ododo aka Ozia Baba, Kadri Yakubu aka Nagaziman. We implore security agencies to take immediate note of these issues and arrest these situations by calling violent pro-APC leaders to question. We want Nigerians to hold Yayaha, Bello and APC leaders responsible for any killing, sudden disappearance of persons, and election violence in the November 11, 2023 governorship election. We demand a free and fair election where the vote of every Kogite will count. The tide is clearly in our favor as the people are solidly behind us. We counsel and caution Yayaha, Bello and the APC to accept the fact of their rejection and their colossal defeat in the 2023 November 11 election. Every attempted attempt to create chaos or violence will be resisted by the PDP. And I want to assure Nigerians that we in the PDP will defend our vote this time around. We will also defend our people. No amount of intimidation, no amount of harassment will detract our attention and focus from winning this election. We are resolute. We have all the strategies to defeat the machinations of the APC and Yayaha, Bello this time around. We call on all Kogites not to be afraid, not to be timid, not to be scared. We call on Kogites to come out en masse and vote. Security will be provided and they will be defended. This time around, it will be one man, one vote, and we will resist violence in any form. This is the time for you to test your acceptability and popularity. This is the time to tell Nigeria, to tell Kogites, the projects you have embarked on that will help you evangelize the gospel of Ododo. We know that Ododo is just on the ballot. Yayaha, Bello is attempting to run a third term, and that will not happen because he has been rejected by the people. It's to the effect that the APC have sewn fake police uniforms, camouflage, which have already been brought into Kogi State and ready to be distributed among APC thugs to parade as policemen and soldiers and unleash terror on innocent Kogites on election day. Further intelligence exposed that the thugs are allegedly being imported from Kwara State, Lagos, Osun, and Oyo State under the official cover by the Yayaha, Bello administration to unleash mayhem and disrupt peaceful conduct of the election, having realized that there is no way the APC can win in a peaceful, free, fair, and credible electoral process. We have been made aware that the thugs from Kwara State will be led by Mitu Osisas. The gang was responsible for the mayhem that occurred in Aito Rugbede, where my nephew was killed. It is important for Mitu, in brackets, OC SAS, to know that I knew the hotel he stayed during the last election. I dared him to come with his gang for this November 11 elections. Surely he will meet his Waterloo, as the people of Kogi State are now more than ever before out to resist and vanquish him.